Hi everyone, in this video, I'll explain to you how to skip GeForce Now wait time. First, go to your Chrome and search for World Clock Time. Click on the first one. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl F. Search up for 00, 01, 02, or 03. Find the country with that time and click on it. For example, here, Miami. Click on it and look for what state it is in. Now we have to open a new tab and search for what part of US is Florida in. Scroll down and click on this. It is on Southeastern region. Now go to NVIDIA website. Since I can't access it, I'll explain what to do. Press on the three lines to the top right, look for and select settings. Find server location, now look for the one that you've searched up, and enter it. And that's it.